closer. At some point, it gets close enough where the deer get scared and they just panic. Is that what you see now? Do you see them running, Bernie?
Yeah.
Not yet. Okay. At some point, they will. And how many or a small animal? Let's see. The head of a big animal or the whole body of a small animal? And the baby. He's way far from the tree. Yeah, that's alive. That's alive.
Would you like us to spotlight that?
No, I'd like you to get closer to it. What if it's just the head, though, looking out from behind something? Yeah. Still hanging there. And notice there was a couple of points there. But we've got right there, you can see that it's much more white and bright than the tree trunks. Or anything on the ground. So that means it's warmer, which means it's probably alive. Hey, look. Do you guys see that? No, stop. Look down. Pan down a little bit. Stop and pan down. Look down. Okay, who's on, Larry, do you copy? Who's on the ground team that you're sending over? Got it. Okay, I'm going to turn on their position. There we go. Oh, there's a good view. There's a good view. Stop them. They don't have to stream from their phone.
Ground team, this is HQ. New target. Converge on the target. I repeat, converge on the target.
You showing Charles's image? So what he has, what you're seeing there, is that's a handheld. He's holding his phone that's connected to DroneSense up to the viewfinder of a FLIR thermal, which is what Charles has because he works for FLIR. And when you're a Bigfoot research boy, it's always good to have a friend who works at FLIR. What's what? Yes, I'm trying to get it back.
They are.
They are. We're watching it on the big screen. Yeah, go in on that. Ooh, it looks like it's laying down. Is that what he says? Yes, it is. It's deer. Okay.
Ground team be advised.
Okay.
Target is a deer.
Yep,
Repeat,
right.
target is a deer.
Okay, now let's go back over on the inside of John and see. The deer don't mow.